Okay, dear students, observe the question. Let f from capital R to R be given by small f of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 x minus 5. Define capital F of x is equal to integral 0 to x f of t, small f of t dt, where x greater than 0. Then which of the following options is are correct? The first option, capital F has local minimum at x is equal to 1. Second option, capital F has a local maximum at x is equal to 2. And third option, capital F of x not equal to 0 for all x belongs to 0 to 5. And fourth option, capital F has 2 local maximum and 1 local minimum in open 0 to infinity. Okay, actually this is the question from JEE-ADVANCED 2019 from paper 2. This is from first section in more than one option type question. Okay, now we have to solve this question, right? So solution for this one. So take the given function, actually f from R to R, where f is function defined domain R and codomain R, and f of x is there, small f of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5. And also given capital F of x is equal to integral 0 to x small f of t dt. Okay, where x greater than 0. By Euler's form, we have to differentiate this one. Capital F dash x is equal to, by Euler's form, f of x into x derivative 1 minus f of 0. And 0 derivative is 0. That's why f dash x is equal to f of x. It is 0. F of x is nothing but x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5. X minus 5. That's all. Now we have to draw the graph for this one. We have to take, here it is 1. Okay. Here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 5. That's all. So, left neighborhood of 1, that means f dash 0, we have to substitute here. F dash 0, this is minus 1. That's why negative, less than 0. It is at x less than 1. At x less than 1, negative. That's why it is negative slope. That means curve decreasing here, and above 1, capital F of 3 by 2, suppose we have to take 3 by 2, then it is x greater than 1, then it is 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 7 by 2. So this is positive. That's why it is increasing. Here it is increasing. Here it is increasing. The curve is increasing. That's why here local minimum. Here it is local minimum. Like that. Same. That means here it is negative to positive. Here it is negative. Here it is positive. The curve changes to negative to positive, then the minimum value. That's why here, like this, here it is 1, 2, 5, minus 2, minus plus, plus minus, minus plus, minus plus. That's why the curve is decreasing here. Here it is decreasing. Here it is increasing. Here it is increasing. This is maximum, local maximum. Again, here it is increasing, local minimum. Local minimum. That's why the curve has local minimum. At 1, local minimum. At 5, local minimum. At 2, local maximum. Since the curve changes to its first derivative, according to the first derivative test, the first derivative changes to minus 2 plus, then the curve has local minimum. Plus 2 minus, then the curve has local maximum. Like that. That's why, so capital F has local local minimum at x is equal to 1 and 5, and capital F has local maximum at x is equal to 2. That's why first option is correct. F has local minimum at x is equal to 1. And second option is also correct. F has local maximum at x is equal to 2. That's why from the car we have to observe 2 local minima, 1 local maxima. But in the third option there exists 2 local maximum. There is no chance for 2 local maximum. So there is local 1 maximum, 1 local minimum. But there is 2 local minimum. That's why here fourth option is wrong. Now we have to verify the third option. Now f of x is equal to integral 0 to x f of t, that is t minus 1 into t minus 2 into t minus 5 dt. Now from this is integral 0 to x, it is t cube minus t into sum of these 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus product of these 1 into 2 into 5. It is t square, it is t, sum of this and plus t into, that means sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma, and sum of the product of two roots alpha beta, that means 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 5 10 plus and 1 into 5 minus product 1 into 2 into 5 dt. That's why capital F of x is equal to integral 0 to x, here it is t cube minus a t square plus 17 t minus 10 dt. Integration, this is t power 4 by 4 minus 8 by 3 t cube plus 17 by 2 t square minus 10t in between the limits 0 to x. That's why capital F of x is equal to, substitute x here, x power 4 by 4 minus 8 by 3 x cube plus 17 by 2 x square minus 10x. Okay, so this is never 0 in between 0 to 5. That's why for x greater than 0, that means for x belongs to open 0 to 5, capital F of x not equal to 0. For x belongs to open 0 to 5, capital F of x not equal to 0. This is never 0. So we have to verify this. Suppose you have to substitute 1, 2, 3, whatever it may be in between 0 to 5. This is not 0. Okay. That's why the third option is wrong. That's why. So first option is correct. Yes, third option is right. Third option is right. Since f of x not equal to 0, it is never 0. It is never 0 in between 0 to 5. That's why first option is correct, the second option is correct, and third option is correct. The fourth option wrong, since given the one local minimum, but from the graph we have to identify two local minimum. That's why one local maximum and two local minimum. That's all. So first option, second option and third option correct, and fourth option wrong. That's all. Right? Okay.